Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. Today we're going to be making a roasted pork chop with chopped apple salad. So we've got our baking dish here with a little bit of olive oil on it. We're going to simply season these with a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, drizzle of olive oil, flip them over, season again. Same thing. We've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. These chops are really thin, so they're going to take 5 minutes. Alright, I'm going to pop them in the oven. Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a roasted pork chop with a chopped apple salad. So, to go over our ingredients, we have a little balsamic vinegar, some pomegranate juice, some honey, and some oil that are going to make up our vinaigrette. We have our chopped apples, we have some almonds, a little bit of blue cheese, and a little bit of salad greens. A mixed salad green, but you could use baby spinach or arugula, anything you'd like. So the first thing we're going to do is combine our ingredients for our salad, and then we'll come back and do our vinaigrette at the last minute. So we have our chopped apples. I'm going to take some of our almond slivers, which you could toast if you wanted to, or roast a little bit in the oven just to add a little bit more depth of flavor. Throw those in. A few of our blue cheese crumbles. Alright, a little bit of our mixed greens. Alright, so we've got our salad ingredients in. We're ready to mix up our vinaigrette, so we can set that aside. And here I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a couple cracks of black pepper. We're going to go in with our balsamic vinegar, our pomegranate juice. I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of honey. Now we're going to add in a drizzle of olive oil, about a tablespoon total. Whisk this to combine. Alright, so we're going to toss our salad with our vinaigrette. Pouring part of it over, we're going to reserve the rest. I'm going to kind of give this a shake, coat everything. Alright, we can add a little bit more blue cheese. A little bit more of our almond slivers. And we can set our salad aside and wait for our pork chops to come out of the oven.